Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create or design a worksheet in Canva. So guys, this is very important class for teachers and tutors and other freelancers. Mm, so I will teach you that how you can easily create worksheets in Canva. So let's get started. But before starting, in case if you are new in this video or this channel, then and you are not understanding what Canva is and how to design on Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and click the playlist section, and here I upload the complete Canva designing course, so you can start this playlist from the beginning and learn through it. So guys, let's get started, and here I search worksheet. Worksheet. So worksheet. So guys, mostly we use A4 portrait for worksheets. So I click on this, and it provide us different templates. These are the templates. We can easily customize these templates, but I click on create a blank worksheet. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. So guys, these are the templates, and we can easily customize these templates according to our need. So guys, I select this one. Yeah, and this is a very good template. So first of all, I would like to customize these things, and first of all I would like to change the background color like this, and I want to choose any other color. Yeah, it's look good. Yeah, it's also look good. Yeah, this look good. And upper part color, and yeah, I think white color suits. So after that, I delete this element, and I click on the element and search flower. I like this one. I small this and paste it here. It look good. After that, I delete this one, and I think it's look good. I click on this, small this size of the color, and after that, but I have to change the color like something dark. No, yeah, it's look good. After that, no, it's not look good. Yeah, it's look good. And after that, we have to change the image, and so I go to photo. I do not have any kid photo right now, so I write here kid, and I drag the image and select it here. So our customization is done, so it's look beautiful. And that's it for today. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.